How are obscure ingredients kosher certified internationally? Imagine trying to figure out if a tiny ingredient in your food is kosher when it comes from a faraway country. It might seem complicated, but there's a clear process behind it. When a food company wants to get kosher certification for obscure ingredients, they start by sharing detailed information about every component used. This includes not just the main ingredients but also additives, flavorings, and processing aids that might be hidden or come from complex sources. A team of knowledgeable rabbis then reviews each ingredient carefully. They look at where it comes from, how it's made, and whether it could be contaminated with non-kosher substances. For ingredients like artificial flavors, corn syrup, ethanol, or fish oils from species like anchovies, the process can be quite detailed. The rabbis verify the source, making sure it's from a kosher species or material. They also check the production facilities around the world to see if equipment has been properly cleaned and prepared according to kosher laws. Supervising the processing steps is another key part. Sometimes, rabbis visit factories to oversee how ingredients are made, especially when the same equipment handles both kosher and non-kosher products. They also review supplier documents and kosher certificates for raw materials. If an ingredient comes from different suppliers, the rabbis might reject some if their facilities don't meet kosher standards. Advanced technology helps this process a lot. Certification agencies keep extensive databases of suppliers and ingredients worldwide. This helps them track where ingredients come from and how they are processed, especially when ingredients are produced in multiple locations or have complex supply chains. International kosher certification agencies also work with local rabbis and experts to make sure they follow local rules while still sticking to Kashrut principles. Companies seeking certification must be transparent about their sources and production methods. They need to allow inspections and audits, sometimes without warning, to prove they stay compliant. All of these steps ensure that even the most obscure ingredients meet kosher standards. This way, consumers worldwide can trust the kosher symbols on their food labels, knowing every ingredient has been carefully checked and approved.